Are you updating your CV? Or maybe this is your first one and you are unsure of what needs to be added or left out. Let me help you create a CV recruiters and companies want to read. We're starting with the CV header. This is the first thing a recruiter sees. Your header must be clean, simple, professional. Start with your full name, then your professional title. Add a professional photo, and remember that a picture speaks 1,000 words. Therefore, ensure your profile picture complements your CV. Next, include your town, city, and nation, your phone number, your personal email address, and your LinkedIn link. Ensure that your LinkedIn profile is up to date, as recruiters typically use it to gather more details about candidates. That's it. Keep it uncluttered, keep it sharp, and your CV header will make a strong first impression. Join me for the next step in creating your CV on any of our social media platforms.